Tangina mo, gago.
Panalo na yan to eh.
Panoorin na lang
Panalo na
natin
yan.
paano sila nanalo. Kasi kahit naman spoil title, talagang panalong-panalo na dito sila sa
Panalo
game na to
talaga
eh.
kahit
Oo.
kahit sa mo tignan day.
Kumbaga, panoorin na lang natin kung paano sila
Yung
nanalo.
yung pinaka-crucial dito, Mel, yung ano eh, yung napipitas nila yung gyro ng harapan. Dalawang
O,
team fight ba? Tatlo?
yung pinaka-crucial ata
Tatlo
yung
daw.
first one, boss ko. Kasi yung first one, kaya siya isave eh.
Hmm.
Kaya siya isave kasi malayo si Ayon ng
So,
time
anong
na yun eh.
vision mo dun sa team fight dapat ng Talon?
Oh, hindi. Feel ko, pwede
Reload?
muna nilang i-reset tapos ano, tol.
Reload daw, sabi
Real-
ni Palos pag magaw yung
Kaya
gyro.
nga, reload talaga muna tapos tansyahan afterwards. Hindi talaga pwede nakatayo
Kaya
lang.
kakainahan ng talon, yung captain kasi nila, di ba, mid. Pag walang game si, Shu.
Si Chuan, tol.
Pangit
Oh.
din talaga ata yung mid nila.
Mahirap yung ganun, mahirap yung ganun.
Kaya nga sinabi ko, di ba, tol? Di ko alam kung naniniwala pa ako dito kay Kotol. Uy, yung cameraman.
Uy,
Nakakatulog.
cameraman.
Nakakatulog konti. Teka lang.
Tangina, nalungkot si Yowe ko. Pasok sana ako Riyadh,
eh.
ba't ako nag-TNC? Napaganon. Uyog mo doon sarili mo, uwi.
Kumaka na.
Hindi, deserve naman ng blacklist ngayon eh.
Advance
deserve.
congratulations sa BLX since nag-post na din si Gabi, guys. Congrats.
Hindi.
Well deserved talaga mga tol. Lahat
Saka
talaga
maganda
ng
yung run nila, di ba?
Oo.
Parang
first,
na lower bracket
first round
sila.
lower bracket sila. Oo.
Nagkaaway-away pa sila. Ngayon,
Mhm.
tangina, tulad na yan. Siguro naghahalikan na yun ngayon.
Iniisa-isa na ni Boss Bong. Ayan na. Thank you, Boss Bong, sa 50 subs.
subs.
Ayan na, gago ka
200
talaga.
yan, 200 subs yan,
200
200
subs yan. Ayan na, sinasabi ko sa inyo, Boss Bong.
Diyan na si Boss Bong.
Pag-hukom! Pag-hukom!
Andiyan na nga.
Pag-hukom! Golden hours! Let's go! Ayan na, to another one! Si Boss Bong Love, ayan na! 200 subs!
Ang ina mo. Si Parmel, gago. Kinikilig ka dyan.
Gago ka! 100 na!
Eh, marami yata nakataya sa BLR eh.
Boss Bong! Maraming salamat! Ay!
Gago, kinikilig ka, men.
Gago ka!
Uy, huli. Wala, ito na ata yung finishing blow, doy.
Finishing blow no!
Naiiwan na si, kasi.
Sakop!
Congrats sa'yo, Mel. Mel, congrats.
Thank you, boss ko!
Hindi, si Boss Gabi.
Uy, Boss Gabi! Congratulations, Boss Gabi! Let's
Uy,
fucking go!
Pasin naman kahit 10k lang, Boss
Hello.
Gabi.
Hello, Boss Gab! Congrats, Boss Gab!
Boss Gabi.
Congrats sa atin
I
lahat!
miss you everyone.
Ay, Boss Gabi. Hiram ka ng camera. Boss Gab, picture naman tayo sa Discord. Yung mga
Oh,
kakuha-
picture,
baka
Boss Gab.
kalimutan mo kami.
Wala nga ako eh.
Wala ka hiram. Cellphone.
Wala na.
Big
Galing
congrats,
mo.
Boss Gab! Lahat talaga dito, happy!
Oh, happy talaga.
200 subs, boss.
Malungkot kanina.
Dude,
pero
nabibigyan din ako.
Hindi wala talaga.
Hello.
Maraming salamat, Boss Bong! I love you! Woohoo!
Kain tayo, Gab.
Congrats.
Congrats sa
Kain tayo,
blacklist,
kain
mga tol! Super
Kain.
well deserved talaga, guys!
Ano?
Let's fucking go!
Deserve.
Dinner!
Dinner? Hindi
Yes,
ko
darling.
Napakalakas! Lahat nag-i-step up! Tangina, mga walang yak.
Maganda. Uy, revenue check ang chip. Tong 300 subs yan?
Hindi, 200 subs daw, boss. Boss
boss mo
ko.
teammate mo sa CSGO eh. Sulit ka naman.
Okay, gagrind ko na lang ang
Wala
sarili.
kang camera talaga, Boss Gab.
Oo nga. Pwede bang, camera
Ano
ka
kaya,
muna, Boss
phone
Gab?
kaya, Boss Gab? Makita lang namin
Oh?
yung very pretty face mo.
Gusto lang namin makita,
Tuloy muna ako.
Kung
sige.
umabot ka
Load ka
dito,
na
guys,
kagad, Gab?
i-type mo blacklist in going to Kiyad.
Sige,
Hashtag
punta ako
blacklist
kayo dyan.
going to Kiyad, mga tol.
Pag-uwi ko.
Kaya
Blacklist
dito.
going to
Punta kaya
Kiyad.
dito.
Punta ka lang ngayon dito.
Blacklist going to Kiyad, mga tol. Let's fucking go. Hashtag
Okay,
blacklist
uwi ka
going to
muna.
Kiyad.
Wala, uwi siya.
Send ko
Dalo
na,
na natin sila, Mel.
send ko na lang kay Boss Team, Boss ko iba.
Ay,
Sige,
Mel.
Boss Bong. Oh, good shit na yung 100, Boss Bong. Kay Boss ko yung 50. Mga ganun. Hati-hati na yan, Boss Bong. Maraming salamat. I love you.
Laki naman nun pag ganun.
Sakap,
Chip,
tol.
totoo ba yan?
Oo,
Totoo ba yan?
hatiin daw ni Boss Bong. Solid ka,
Uy,
Boss Bong. Maraming salamat,
Makakilig naman
doy.
yan.
Napakalaki nun, 100 subs. Deserve lahat ng kalahok, guys. Boss Gab, wala ka bang kapakamera dyan, Boss Gab?
Ay, may interview na ta. May interview ba, Lay?
Meron.
May interview. Sino dyan?
Yes.
May interview.
Si Abed.
Ayan,
Uy,
si
sorry.
Abby.
Ayan na. Sana
Wala na.
Uy, gago si Boss Bong, 50 subs.
Uy,
Sabi ko sa
sarap
inyo.
naman yun.
Sarap niyan, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Maraming salamat, Boss Bong.
Hati ako dyan.
Let's go! Panalo lahat ng Pinoy, doy!
Hati ako dyan.
Wala pa.
Panalo lahat ng Pinoy.
Ako teammate ni Boss Bong. Kayo nabibigyan.
Share ako dyan, Boss Bong. Uy, Boss Miko, hahabol ka pa? Let's go! Nasaan yung interview? Wait lang.
Uy, boss
Pwede
bong,
bang panoorin yan?
Boss bong.
Pwede naman siguro, no?
Tanggalin ko muna yan. Tanggalin ko muna yan. Relax muna tayo.
Mel, hingi ako, Mel.
Hindi, sabi ni Boss Bong, hati niya daw, Boss Gab. So, pagka nag-live ka, ano?
Oo, sure yan, sure yan.
Oh. Wait lang, wala pa yung
Sige, Boss Bong. We love you.
Ako teammate mo dito.
Wala pa si Abed guys eh. Pagka nandiyan na siya. Meron na ba?
And considering the
Meron,
backing
in-interview na
the three
dito.
odd masters at the esports
Wait
World
lang, wala
Cup
pa sa
has,
live. Wala pa sa live.
Wala pa eh.
Tinatanong kung saan pa nga ako pinaruhan nun, ah.
Boss Bong,
We
50
shall
subs
see.
ka din sa...
But overall,
Boss Miko,
pretty
kala ko
exciting.
magbibigay ka,
The
Boss
matches
Miko.
have been great in these qualifiers.
Sabihin mo pag meron na.
We're gonna have an interview.
Ha?
I'm pretty sure both teams never
Sabi mo pag
responded.
meron na si
So,
Abed.
we shall see.
Boss Akmal, ikaw na
We're
bahala
pushing
kay
for
Boss
it in a
Gabi.
little bit while
Sige,
if
Boss
anyone
Bong!
comes in.
Bigyan ko 2K yan, Gab. May 2K ka sa
I'm
akin,
not sure
Gab.
if they'll take any of the guys we suggested. By the way,
Ikaw
Alpha
na.
Ninja says yes.
Tuwi lang sa lahat ng hinihita ni Kim.
Nakapasok ng kaya dyan eh, boss ko eh. Mas mayaman sa akin yan eh.
I'll literally eat myself.
Talaga, 2,000 tangin na bibigay ni Armel. 2,000 na bibigay ni Armel. Tangin na narinig ko yun ah.
Eh, nakapasok
Sige,
eh.
sige, may 2,000.
Maybe one day he'll be
Okay.
watching
Ang unat, gago. Magkano kinita niyan? 100k, gago.
Mas mayaman sa akin yan, tangina nyo naman.
Sa'yo na yan, Mel. Kainin mo na lang siguro.
Eh, mas mayaman ka, Gab. Kayat ka, di ba?
Okay, 5 na lang. Okay na yun.
5K.
Congrats, Gab. Gabi.
Hindi, Boss Gab, ba na talaga ah.
Thank you,
Sobrang
tol.
congrats talaga.
Congrats,
Panalo
Gab.
lahat ng Pinay, Boss Gab. I love you.
Oo, tol.
Congrats, Gab.
Deserve
Grabe,
talaga,
tibok ko,
tol.
tol. Tibok ng puso.
Boss Gab, kahit tumitibok yung puso mo, Boss Gab.
Mel, tingin kami, Mel.
Oy, Boss Teams, si Boss eto kay Boss Gab. Ayan na. Sabi ni Boss Bong, magbibigay daw siya dito para kay Boss Gab. Tas, di, Boss Bong, si Teams din daw.
Hindi, okay na kami yan. Magkikita kami.
Guys, wala ba kami
dyan?
Ay, na-miss namin
Ayan
itong
na,
Discord na to, tol, ah.
Hello.
Ano mo, Gab?
Yun na.
Hi,
Gab,
Hello.
eh.
Video.
Subs, magkano yan, Gab? Gago, binigyan ako ni Boss Bong another one. 50.
O, 10k daw talaga, Mel. Sabi ni Boss.
Hello.
Binigyan ko yung 50 subs.
10K. Sakto na yun, 10K. Yung 50 subs.
10K ka sa akin?
Hello.
Thank you, Boss Bong. Masarap mo talaga.
Congrats, Jao, teams.
Hello.
Oy, congrats mga tol.
Kaya
Ayan ang
gusto
mga
niya,
ano.
puntahan natin si Boss Bong.
O, tayo na,
po.
wala may tindihan.
Ang dami nagsasalita.
Ayaw niya po.
Ano?
Di puntahan na natin si Boss Bong. Ayaw niya.
Bawal kasi ako ng basta-basta doy eh.
Hello.
Kay Boss Gab and Teams.
O,
Sige, Boss Bong. Dali yan, Boss Bong. Thank you.
Sub, Mel.
Ano yan?
Hello.
Congrats
Magkano
na
yun?
nga, boss.
Magkano ba yung 50 subs? Teka.
Tig
50
7k
times
kami,
250.
Teams.
Hello.
Teka, ano kayo?
Rico, sino ba yun? Si
Joe?
na lang kami, Mel.
12, 5, tig 6k kayo sa akin.
Hello.
Hello.
Oy, Boss Joe, big congrats, Boss Joe, ha?
Tara.
Ba't may camera kasi Abed? Ayun na, wait lang.
Congratulations on your
Oy,
victory.
wait lang.
How the hell are you feeling?
Hello.
I was actually just my whole body was shaking like a few minutes ago, but now I'm chill.
I mean, I've got to ask. I mean, first of all, we're very happy you've joined us. Why have you joined us? But you never want to talk to us. Why is it you finally decided you want to talk to us in an interview?
Yeah, I've been just waiting for this moment the entire time. That's why I've been dodging. But now I'm here.
Pogi talaga ni Abed, doy.
He's in the right moment. I mean,
minsan
talk to me about
mapapa-unfair ka din
that
talaga eh.
game one. Obviously, game one didn't really go your way. Do you want to break down to me what
Ang
went wrong?
pogi
in
ang
that,
buto
that
visit
first
eh.
game?
May accent pa na ganun.
I think game one we definitely have the draft advantage, I would say, but I guess we were just feeling the nerves, or like we just couldn't read their map movements somehow. So I think we just didn't
Pogi
get
nga
to
ni
make our own
Jordan,
play,
tol.
and then we lost.
Were you at all nervous as well? Like you guys got knocked down in the lower bracket. You guys got knocked down to in the round of one. Were you nervous at all, or did you know you were just going to steamroll over every team anyway?
Not at all. I wasn't nervous at all because we prepared like for a long time for this tournament, and
Obvious
I was
naman,
very
obvious.
confident personally about our gameplay, game strategy,
Mhm.
and just like our Dota knowledge this time. So I was very confident.
Mhm.
Go on.
Accurate. Legit
Alright,
na legit
I'm
kasi
curious,
the way
What
gumalaw
did
ni Abed
happen
doy,
in that
sobrang
upper bracket
God,
round one?
God mode.
What caused that slow start here for you guys on Blacklist?
Yeah, I don't know. That wasn't us. I just don't know what to say. That wasn't us.
Matanong kaya. Hindi,
I
Boss
have a
Alo, di
question
nila
about
yung
the previous
opinion.
series. Now, when
Di
you were
nila yung
going
opinion,
in for
Boss Alo.
TNC, was there any added
Uh-huh.
emotion for the guys? Was there any extra motivation in that one?
It just felt like another series for me personally, but I couldn't say the same for my teammates, Gabby, Tim's. Like they're all pretty good friends with those guys, so there's, it's a little fun.
Fair enough. And I'm curious,
Teammates
what are you
daw.
looking forward
Shout
as you
out,
head into
shout out,
Riyadh
the
now,
shout out.
into the Riyadh Masters of Esports World Cup?
First ano pa yun, ha?
What's the
Nauna pa yun,
expectations
Gabi,
like
ah.
for the team, and what's what teams do you look forward to playing to as well?
First of all, we're all gonna take a break and just do random stuff for a bit, and then once we're getting close to Riyadh, we'll just treat it like every other qualifiers that we played and just prepare the same. And for the teams that we're looking forward to play against, I don't know, probably the European teams, just because we haven't qualified in a while, and yeah, we just want to play
The
against
word is
everyone.
ceiling na talaga. The word is ceiling talaga, guys.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Ayun na.
Oh, I mean, with that, Arbit, thank you very much for joining us. Congratulations on your
Congrats,
victory,
congrats.
sir. We can't wait to see you at the Riyadh Masters.
Ang ganda nung
Thank
accent,
you. See you guys.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ganda.
That's the lovely
Congrats,
Arbit. John, I gotta be perfectly
congrats
honest with you, I had
Biela
no
ulit.
idea what
Congrats
to ask
Biela
before,
ulit.
man.
Solid,
He-
solid.
He's baited us this whole
Lahat,
time.
walang iya.
He's led us on for years. He's never given.
Deserve lahat, deserve lahat.
Eh, kailangan natin magtanggal ng Bisaya, Mel.
Kailangan?
Isa lang
Kailangan
naman
isa
Bisaya
lang?
dito si Jing lang.
That isa lang.
Okay. Isa lang yung pwede, no? Doy, kasi si Natsumi kumakana dun eh. Ganun nga
Lakas ni Natsumi.
ganun nga yung ano, Doy, yung meta, tol. Alam mo na. Paano nga yan pagka ganyan? Ay, pogi yan.
Eh, wait lang,
Kaya puta yan,
pumipindot.
pogi na malakas pa mag-Dota. Paano yun? Kaya nga, tol eh. Hindi mo din talaga, minsan
Tuloy
talaga
mag-English, no?
maantaran ka din talaga minsan. Wala,
Ay, wait lang.
what can you do talaga, di ba?
So, nice ka, Doy. 20k.
Solid, solid, guys.
Kaya pala tumahimik.
Ano talaga? So, overperform yung Blacklist dito, guys, na ano nila yung expectation ng mga tao. Parang pinakubrong talaga nila yung mga tao. Kasi nung first day talaga, tulog sila eh. Check story daw ng Hindi ko alam, wala akong IG, guys. Wala akong IG, mga tol.
Tulid.
Wala akong IG, guys. Wala akong
Torok.
IG.
Huwag
Ano?
matilt ah.
Sa FB? Saan sa FB, tol? Saan sa FB, guys?
Dali. Ay, gago.
Mel,
Ay, Boss Teams.
naging 10k Mel.
Hindi, Boss Teams. 6K lang, Boss Teams. May 6K ka sa akin. Wait lang nga.
Ito.
Hindi! Mas mayaman kayo sa akin. Visit talaga kayo.
Ay, na, bumibili na ang Rolex eh.
Hindi! Ano lang yun?
My day lang.
My day lang. Na ano lang ata doon yung profile picture. Dilagay ko lang doon. Hindi ko ma-search ano ba yung ano. Hi Teams, congrats po. Kino-congrats ka ni Herbert Ursula dito, Boss Teams. Congrats daw, congrats. Live ko sa Discord. Sige nga, Jape. Hindi ko makita eh.
Ge.
Congrats ulit, Boss Teams. Dale.
Ge. Thank you.
Bla. Naghag nga nakita ko. Patingin nga. Naghag si Igabi tsaka siya, the world is ceiling. The world is ceiling. Dahil kay Boss Trek lahat to, guys. Dahil kay Boss Trek, mga tol.
Tamel.
Oo nga.
Tingin, patingin.
Ulit, Jefe. Tingin. Ayun o. Ayun o. Parang scripted talaga. Scripted yung
Ang sweet sobro. Pwede ba yung huling-huli na talaga?
Ganyan.
Ito, kay Jape. Isa pa mga ulit.
Isa pa. Asan yung hug?
Ayun o.
Ulit.
Okay na si Abed
Ah,
talaga
nag-
tsaka si Gabi. Guys, nakita ko, inamoy ni Abed yung buhok ni Gabi. Ganun daw, pagka gusto mo na ulit yung kaibigan mo. Aamoy mo ng onti yung buhok pagkayakap. Aamoy mo yung likod. Napansin ko, legit nga. Ganun nga yun ang Yaki. Inamoy eh. Worthy ceiling na mga tol. Salamat boss Strike. Naayos mo yung Dota World. Thank you boss Strike. Ayun.